Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 8th class English. I am your English teacher Reshma Sultana. Already we learned about what is mean by tattered. Now we are going to see the story of the tattered blanket, which is written by Kamala Das. Already we see the story of Kamala Das, short story history about the Kamala Das. Okay, already we learned. Okay, now we are going to see the conversation about this story, that already we come to know there are mainly three characters in this. One is Gopi's mother, another one is Kamala, and third one is Gopi. See here, Gopi's mother has one daughter and one son. One daughter is Kamala and she is widow and she live in his mother's house only, her mother's house only. And another one is her son, his name is Gopi. Okay, what happened and what conversation what conversation has been gone through between them, now we are going to see. See here, I am not saying in the conversation like in the conversation tone, just I am saying what conversation has gone through between them by writing the short form. In the short form, it to become easy to learn, to understand. That's why I written like this, but it is in the form of this story is in the form of conversation. But to know better, to understand better, to get more information in easy way, that's why I written like this. But it in the lesson, in your textbook, it is in the form of conversation. Okay, see here, the story starts here. One man was arrived at the gate. Okay, the gate sound, by listening that gate sound, when a man arrived, compulsory when someone comes, they open the door. By the sound of the door or the gate, we come to know that someone is came at our door. Like that, when a man arrived, the sound of the gate, by listening the sound of the gate, that is an futile attempt. See here, futile is nothing but unsuccessful. Unsuccessful is nothing but they are not successful, not like that. Unsuccessful means without giving any information, suddenly a man arrived at their gate. At that time, Kamala is sitting in the veranda and Kamala's mother is sitting on the armchair. Both are sitting in the veranda and talking to each other. At that time, a man arrived, that is an futile attempt without any information. By listening that sound of the gate, Kamala's mother asked, "Who is on the gate?" Then Kamala stands and went to the gate, and she saw screwing up her eyes. Screwing up her eyes means, see here, what is the meaning of screwing up eyes? Means narrowing the eyes to look more carefully, to see, because it is some dark at the time of evening he arrived, so that's why he is seeing carefully that who is there. That is nothing but screwing up eyes. When she see, when she screw his eyes, she come to know that it is an they on the gate Gopi is visited, unexpected visit. Who is Gopi? Gopi is the son of her mother. Okay, or Kamala's brother also, we can say Kamala's brother also. He unexpectedly visit to their home. Actually, what happened, why he unexpected visit? Because he has one meeting in Thiruvananthapuram, which is near to their house, so he visited unexpectedly to his house. Okay, again Amma is asking, who is on the door? Kamala, who is on the door? Then Kamala said that he is Gopi. But what happened, Kamala's mother, see here, Kamala's mother doesn't recognize her son, because he has not sharp memory. She forget many things, and she forget the face of her son also, because after so many years he arrived, and that too unexpectedly. So her mother is very old, she doesn't recognize her son. Again she is asking that who is on the door, who is on the door, again and again she is asking. She always asks Kamala, is your brother send you a letter? No letter, send you a letter. But her brother never sent any letter because he is busy in his life. Busy his life. When mother asked, any letter is there from the from my son? Then mumbling means Kamala is mumbling. See here, what is the meaning of mumbling? Speaking unclearly and quietly means with low sound, and unclearly means no one can under in front. If you are saying in front of someone, they are unable, they are not listen clearly, that is speaking unclearly and quietly. Mumbling, Kamala is mumbling. Just yes, he is sending many letters because to satisfy her mother, she is saying that even though no letter, still he is saying that no, brother will send daily a letter about how is your mother, like that. Again Amma asked, tell him to again Amma asked, who is on the gate? Again same, she is replying because her mother is not her health is not in a good condition, that is her memory is very weak, and she doesn't recognize her son also. Even though he was in front of her Amma also, he doesn't recognize that he is my son, because he forget. Just he is remembering that my son is sending daily many letters about my, asking about my health, asking about my how I am living, that is she is thinking. Okay. Again what happened after this conversation, Gopi come in front of his Amma and say that I am Gopi. Then Amma again doesn't recognize, still he is saying that, see, my son is working in the city, that is in Delhi. Please tell him to send me a blanket. What her mother is saying, send my son to, tell my son to send me a blanket. Which color blanket? That is red blanket. Why she is saying? Because the blanket is totally tattered. Tattered means the blanket is not in a good condition. And what she is saying, see here, there is a cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Tell him to send me a blanket. Won't you? Okay, I will tell to send him a red one. Okay. Again after this, again her Amma says that I am feeling a neck pain because I am sitting from a long time on the armchair. Again she went and again she take a rest. After that, the conversation is between Kamala and his brother, that why you are not sending us amount as well as letters. Then he said that Delhi is too expensive to send me amount. I have 4 children. It is very difficult for me to manage my status as well as to live a happily life. So I am not sending any amount, and I am too busy to send you a letter. That's why I am not sending many letters to you. And why he arrived suddenly to his home means to sell property. What share he has in property, he want to sell. Selling my share of the family property, I want to sell, and I want to take some money and go from here and go away with the money, again return to Delhi. After that, see here what happened. Gopi arrived after 5 years to his house, and her mother age is 83 years old. The main reason, even though after coming back 5 years also, he doesn't come for to meet his Amma and to see what the family situation is. Just he arrived to sell his share, what he get from his family property. This is the conversation about 3 characters already we learned. The tattered blanket. See here what happened. Her Amma doesn't recognize her son because he never arrived. After 5 years he came to home, and also her mother is 83 years old. That's why he has not sharp memory. He always forget things. Because her son came after 5 years, he also forget his son. Again in front of his son, he is saying that go and say my son to tell him to send me a blanket. That blanket, on this blanket the story name was kept, that is the tattered blanket. This is the small conversation between them, Amma and Kamala and Gopi. Okay, see here there are some meanings already we learned, that is tattered, futile, screwing up eyes, on toes. See, on toes is nothing but busy, ready to work. On toes means Gopi is always on toes, means he is always busy in work. Okay, and now I am going to give an assignment, that how do you feel about Amma's health situation. Okay, see here Amma's health situation. How is Amma's health situation? Her memory is not good and you always forget. He has back pain, she has back pain, and uh, she has lot of health issues. Okay, what you will do if you are in Gopi's place? Okay, how you are feeling, that how is Gopi, and how you if you are in Gopi's place, what you will do for her, what do you do for your Amma, like that. Okay, what you come to know, write in your own words. Okay, thank you.